what's up? It's Glamorousmorana channel. Hey, what's up? It's Glamorousmorana, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you never see my face, don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel. It's free. All you gotta do is click and subscribe and like this video. So today we're gonna be talking about back to school emergency kit, what we need for back to school if we are girls. So let's go on to the video. So we're gonna be talking about, like, I don't know how much stuff we're gonna be putting in this, but this is going to be like items we're gonna need for back to school emergency kit. Number one, we're gonna need deodorant because we don't want to be walking around with smelly arms, right? We need some deodorant. We're gonna also need hand sanitizer, you know, to wipe our hands because we'll be touching so much stuff. So especially when you're in the bathroom and there's no soap or nothing, we're gonna need our hand sanitizer. Next, we're going to be needing gum and mints, you know, just in case you need your breath to smell really good. You can also pack your mints, you know. Next, you're going to need hair ties, just in case your hair, you put your hair up in a bun one day and then the rubber band slash elastic pop and you need a quick thing because you don't want to be walking like a crazy person. So make sure, get yourself some hair ties. Next, you're gonna need some lip balm, just in case your lip is white that day and you need something to moisturize your lips. You're gonna need some lip balm. Next, you're gonna need some perfume if you want to smell good, you want to smell sweet. We're gonna need some perfume. Next, we're gonna need a phone charger, just in case our phone dies and it's an emergency and we need to charge our phones. You're gonna need that. You're gonna also need a brush slash comb, just in case your hair look like a hot mess, because sometimes when you fix your hair in the morning and in the afternoon time your hair look like a hot mess and you need something to fix, especially if you have gym class, P/P class, and your hair is a hot mess from running, doing gym. You're gonna need a brush and a comb to brush that and comb that. Next, we're going to need some emergency money. So make sure, get yourself some emergency money, put it in your wallet. Next, we're gonna need some pads and tampons, right? Yeah, we're gonna need some tampons because it's the time of the month and we just need to be prepared. It's like the time of the month and we don't want to be walking with tissue, you know, because it's going to leak. TMI, but that's the basics. So we're gonna need some tampons or slash pads. Next, we're gonna need some tissue just in case the bathroom don't have any tissue, or we need good scented tissues. We're gonna need that. We're also gonna need a lotion just in case our body is dry and we need to put some, you know, moist through our bodies. We're gonna need some lotion. We're gonna need some band-aid because just in case we get cut and we need one very super fast, we're going to need that. Next, we're gonna need some snacks, you know, put some snacks in that emergency kit just in case you get hungry and you need something to snack on. You remember what the saying is? Grab a Snicker, something hungry. Oh yeah, it's hungry, grab a Snicker. So pack whatever snack you like, you know, whatever thing you like. So this is back to school. This is back to school emergency kit for girls. So hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to click and subscribe to Glamorousmorana channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a like. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Yes, bye.
Life until forever. Walk step by step, but I'm on a different pace. You won't see me on the ground, cause I'm walking on the waves. I don't ever look